Hi everyone, this is Janice. Today I'm gonna show you a real scenario installation tutorial for RTK.
We also need to use the Allen key hash tool to fasten the bolt.
Ground installation, the RTK antenna should be placed on a concrete ground or lawn.
And you need to use the grass packs. You need to use the socket number 3 to fasten the mud.
You also need to make sure the RTK antenna has at least 120-degree open sky view. And now we are using the Allen key to fasten the bolt. Here comes our RTK base installation. Please make sure our RTK base is only for indoor usage and it's not waterproof. So please make sure to keep it away from snow. And then please wait for the lights up. Insert the RTK cord to the base. Fasten the lower one. And then wait for the lights to turn green.